Cast iron tea kettle restoration part 1. I got these these brazing wheels on my drill. Kind of supersedes the old elbow grease and sandpaper. But you want to be careful that you don't dig too deep down into the metal. Now I've already started, you can see the tea kettle, I've already started the shiny spots. You can see there's a crack right here in the kettle. I'm not going to be using the kettle anyways, I'm just restoring it to like just sit on a wood stove, kind of a decoration, conversation piece kind of thing. You can see the spout. You see the spout's been heavily damaged from the rust. They had a potpourri in it, and it looks like they had left it outside or something because it was full of water and mud and leaves and stuff. So the interior is not that great either. So like I said, this is just going to be restored to like a conversation piece, or maybe a door weight to hold a door open, you know, like a door stop. I had already done one 15-minute video, and when I went to review the video, because I had the cameras, I guess, sideways or flat or whatever, I was trying to get the wide angle. When I went to post it on YouTube, it was kind of sideways, so I'm redoing part 1. This is a cast iron tea kettle restoration part 1. And you can take it apart. You see, that's the inside of the lid. So I'm gonna knock some of that off. I think I'm gonna leave the handle just the way it is. Might clean this up a little bit. I want it to look used without looking new. You know, as if this was sitting on a fire or on a wood stove, it would probably get some smut in it anyways. And be charred black. I might leave that the way it is because I like that rustic used look. But I had to take it off to get in close to those and you can see how well that cleaned that up nice. And we're gonna get the front one. And then down in the neck. And for the holes, ye old file. You want to be careful. You don't want to take too much metal out of here. Just the rust. Okay. See you all in part 2.